I made a new compound. This new compound, where's I want the bag. I want to share with all of you. I was home, this happened about 6 months ago. A little girl called me. She said, Dr. Sebi, my mother is dying and she doesn't want to go to the doctor. Oh, this is it. She doesn't want to go to the doctor. And she believed in what to do with it. Now, I don't know what to do with those kinds of things, to respond to the way. But as I laid in my bed, I put together a compound that I have never thought of before. It was iron, it was nerve, it was potassium phosphate dibasic, which comes from a plant known as the Muicle and the Cocoa black strain. As I put the compound together, I took 4 of them and I began to flow. I couldn't believe it. I took 3. That's very, excellent. So, I went to Jamaica and I gave some to the Jamaicans and they went 8. I went to Barbados. I went to some New Jersey. And on girls, I gave it to the president's wife, I gave it to my lawyer, and she gave it to my mother. And so, this compound is so good that I felt that I cheated you brothers and sisters over the years. It is so good in a little pill. I call it the Sicilian. This. I brought this about to share with you. And I hope that I have enough to go around. But any one of you in this room has the Sicilian? Anyone? How do you feel?
So open you up.
I had it in your room.
Your head.
In my door. This stuff is so good that people in the 90s, a Russian woman, is a Sicilian teacher. She said, what is it, this Sicilian? And I told her, she said, that can really be so good. So, if there is enough to go around today, I have some more of the hotel that I will be taking at 12:05 hours.